Hello and welcome to Less is More, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. First of all, before I get started, I want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed and have liked my channel. If you have not subscribed and you're still around looking and watching my videos, please, I ask you to go on ahead and go out there and like and subscribe and make comments. When you make these comments, make sure that you are addressing me and you ask me whatever questions you have with regards to the video or other videos or anything that you would like for me to discuss in this channel. I am definitely looking for ideas and suggestions, and anything that you need is a perfect start place for me to start. Okay, so again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let's go on ahead and get started with today's video. Today's video is about Navy Federal Credit Union and how are we going to be able to liquidate, get cash for our credit cards by using the Navy Federal Credit Union Go Prepaid Card. Um, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and take you to the site where the Go Prepaid Credit Card can be ordered off of the Navy Federal Credit Union site. All I did was went to the search bar and just did Go Prepaid. And what's going to happen is we're going to go to the Go Prepaid card site right here. And this is where you would actually go and request your card. You would just click on Manage Account. And then once you manage account, you could actually see what the different options are during the Go Prepaid card itself. You could sign in if you already have an account. You could activate your card, get a card, and then family and friends enrollment. The family and friends enrollment is more like if you're having a card for a young child, or and you want family and friends to go on ahead and add money to this said child's card, you could go ahead and add them there as well. Um, so what I'm going to do is, let me see if I could sign in into my account. My Go Prepaid page open, and I am directly in the page that says Manage Cardholder and it's Add Funds. At this time, you can see that you could, I have an account already that I have on file, and then you could add money between $10 and $5,000 daily. At this point, at the bottom of my, I'm not going to go all the way down. So I have my funding account. If you had like a schedule, you could schedule it if you want it so often. And if you have a funding account, you have your add funding account, or you could change your funding account. Currently have two accounts on there. If you want to add a funding account, you would just go right here to add funding account, and then you would just go on ahead and add your information. As you can see, I already have two cards on file. No need to add a third one. Um, if you want to request a new card, let me cancel this because I don't want to do that. So let's say you want to go ahead and get a new card. You would go to my account, and then you would add a card holder right here. When you add a card holder, you get to select whichever card you would like at this time. Let's say I'm going to select that one right there. Once you select that, it will take you to the location where you have to enter the cardholder profile information. And as it states, the cardholder must be at least 13 years of age and have a valid social security number. The only thing that I would say is you could have different variances of your own name. You can have up to 5 of these Navy Federal Credit Union Go prepaid cards, and you could just put your name on each one of them. You could have, L in your last name, or you could have put your middle name, however you want to use them. But you can actually get them in your name. I currently have 2 in my name. The basic information is what's going to go on there, your address. Once you submit that, and of course, your ID type normally is your social security number. And then once you go from there, it's going to go ahead and ask you to fund the card. When you fund the card, that's the time that you either add a new Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. You could use a personal or business credit card, as long as it's only Navy Federal Credit Union. You cannot use any other type of credit card on these Go prepaid cards. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this because I am not going to be adding a new one. When you go to your cards, you could actually manage your cards themselves. You could see if you want to add funds, like I told you earlier, you can add it right there. You can, let's see, this is the second card that I recently ordered and I haven't really done much with it. But you can do everything that you can do with a card, with a regular debit card, okay? You could get cash out, whatever it is that you need to do, you could go ahead and do it there. The add family and friends, as I stated earlier, is for when you have other family members. Let's say you're getting the card, the Go Prepaid for your young teenager, and family and friends want to add money to the uh, said young person's account. You could get their information right here, add it on here, and then they will have what's called an enrollment code that they can use to actually add funds to those accounts. I don't know if the family and friends can add from any um, other credit card. They may be able to. I'm not sure because not everybody, again, has a Navy Federal Credit Union, but that is something to look into. Maybe if you have a family member that adds a credit card that's outside of Navy Federal, maybe that's a new play that we could definitely explore. But basically, that's how you do it. You go to Navy Federal, go prepaid, you get you some cards, and you can liquidate your high credit limit credit cards from Navy Federal or your business credit cards with cash. Hope this video has helped you, and if I could please like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to comment as well. Thank you. Hi, I just want to make sure that when you're doing this Go Prepaid play, that you make sure that you're only using a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card to fund your accounts. You could put up to 3 Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards, whether they're personal or business, per Go Prepaid card, but it has to be a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. I just want to make sure that I stated that and that you were all tracking. Okay? Thank you.